Learn how to make an energizing watermelon milk mix in just a few simple steps. In this quick recipe video, we'll show you how to prepare and cut fresh watermelon, blend it perfectly with milk, and add a touch of organic honey for the ultimate energy and strength for the whole night. Let's go! Remember to like, comment, share the video, and subscribe for more helpful videos. To start our energy-giving drink, we need a perfectly ripe watermelon. Always use a clean cutting board for the freshest flavor. We'll start by slicing it open. Next, cube that juicy watermelon and pop it into the blender. Now, for the secret creaminess, fresh, hot whole milk. This combo is amazing. Watch the magic happen. The milk and watermelon blend together into a vibrant, frothy pink splash. It only takes a few seconds to get that perfect consistency. Look at that gorgeous, creamy texture. It looks absolutely perfect. But wait, do not click away just yet. We have one last vital ingredient to add that completely transforms this drink from good to unforgettable. Trust me, you don't want to miss this final touch. To finish it off, we're adding a generous spoonful of organic honey. For the best results, men should drink this powerful mix exactly 30 minutes before bed. It's the ultimate natural hack to give you sustained energy and strength for the whole night. Just a reminder, drink this powerful mix 30 minutes before bed to get perfect result. It gives you sustained energy and strength for the whole night.